Good evening. This is General Lee. I'm a probate judge with The Hague, and I'm also an international attorney. So, we have an interesting legal question today. Number one, if a United States president has been declared dead, that is, they got a death certificate, the paperwork's all done saying he's dead, she's dead, the other gender is dead, as the case may be. What happens next? Well, okay, constitutional law for the United States of America only in this case. The other countries have other constitutional laws for their whatever things they're doing. Clearly states once the president's dead, the vice president must take over the position. Or if the vice president is not able to take over the position due to not passing his NSA background check, it is I think the United States Congress does have, in my opinion, the authority to actually um, choose to elect the Speaker of the House as President of the United States of America, and they do have the option to go ahead and open up a new election. So yeah, legally speaking, it can get pretty interesting in the United States politics. And to this wonderful question, I do appreciate your candor from the wonderful state of Delaware. Apparently, just from the wonderful state of Delaware wanted this answered question. So, what would happen typically? Okay, well, let's discuss it. Typically, Congress would look at the paperwork, go over it, and decide what next to do. So, what do they have to do? Well, the paperwork has to be shown that the president is currently dead. Okay, so a death certificate is enough to basically throw him out and remove him from office. Now, let me preface this by in this supposed situation that the president does have a death certificate. Okay, that means he's automatically removed from office because he's dead. All right. And then it's up to the United States Senate and Congress to decide whether or not the vice president. Now, under the American laws, they have to actually pass an NSA background check. Now, if the vice president has not passed his background check, then that means he can't assume the next position of president under the constitutional laws and under the federal laws passed by the United States Senate and passed by the United States Congress. So, legally speaking, if the vice president did not pass his NSA background check, he can't become president. Period. Okay. Now, the next one who would be in line would be the Speaker of the House. Now, hopefully, the Speaker of the House did pass his NSA background check or her NSA background check or other gender neutral passed their background check in this interesting scenario. And then they would, of course, the United States Senate and the United States Congress do, under United States constitutional law, do have the right to either put that man, that girl, or other gender neutral into the office of the president legally. They have the full authority to do so. But they also have the authority, and constitutional laws like that, it's always got a twist. It's always got an interesting legal twist to it. They have the authority to actually open up a new presidential run. That means you can have a presidential run for however long they put it, and they can actually have a presidential run where you have several candidates run for president, and they can legally have a new presidential run and see who would be elected. They can do it. It's perfectly legal. and they can do it pretty much immediately as soon as the president is declared dead. That means if there's a death certificate already online or available, they can do that. If the vice president has not passed his NSA background check, or if they decide not to put the Speaker of the House into the position of President of the United States, they can do that. I hope this answers your question to the best of my knowledge, and this is all into my opinion. And I hope you all have learned something. I know I have. And I hope that all the judges and lawyers and wonderful students out there that are asking these wonderful questions have learned something tonight. Please keep those questions coming. I do appreciate them. And please like and subscribe. It really helps me out. Thank you.